I'm right here, honey.
Wow, that's the best. Oh, all those birds. What are they doing?
I don't know. What do you think they're doing?
I think they're doing something with their tails.
Are they dancing or something?
No, not at all. Whoa! They're driving in. They're driving in. We got some to our friend right now.
Wow.
We got send these to our friend this time. Right now. Birds.
Brady, what do you see?
Birds. What did I make?
What do you think they see?
I don't know. Wow! Do you see what they did?
That's pretty cool, huh?
What are they doing?
Flying. Here they come back.
What are they making? What's what they making, Mom?
What are they making?
Wow! Do you see what they made?
I don't know. What did they make?
They made the finger, I think.
Is that what it looked like to you?
Yeah. What, Mom?
I see.
What did they make? I think they made something. They're making a hand.
Is that what it looks like?
Yeah. Tyzo tried to touch one.
If you go outside, I think they'll all fly away. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe?
I don't want them to fly away.
We can keep watching them.
Yeah, I don't want to fly them away. Ah. No. Yeah.
Yeah, bird. I know, right? Bird.
What are they making? See what they
Brady, what's out there? Can you say bird?
bird. Mom, what?
Bird. Good
Watch
job.
this one. Mommy. Mom, what did that one do?